Step 2. User Setting. When using it for the first time, set the user-defined keys and print keys. Open the System Preset page. System Preset. If you select the user-defined key item in User Settings, functions that can be assigned to the user-defined keys and numbers on the keyboard will be displayed. Select the function to assign and click the desired item. In Power Preset Touch, click the empty space and select a desired transducer and a preset to establish the power preset. Then, move to the Print Foot Switch item. Save the user-defined keys. You can set saving options in the Store Print. Let's select Single for P1, Printer for P2, DICOM Server for P3, and Frequently Used Scene for P4. Click Save and Exit to complete the setup. You can find your user-defined keys in the status bar at the bottom of the screen. The user-defined key 7 is located at the bottom of the trackball, and its assigned function is displayed in the soft key label. Image Preset. Open the Image Preset page. You can adjust the location of the frequently used preset for each transducer in the application item. You can move the frequently used preset to the front and create an empty space for separation. Click Save and Exit to complete the setup. Check the changed preset location on the transducer page.